Hello Jammers, Kitty Cat Craft Studio here. Today I'm with Lizzie is Cute Zero, or is that an O? I'm not sure, but first I want to open some gifts. I got a little while ago. I never got to open it. So two are from Surd73 and then one's from 2D Boot. So that's really good. I like my angel wings. Yes, those are nice. Thank you so much, Tootie Poot, and that's really cool. So those were really nice gifts, and yeah. So today I'm going to once again do a shop. Okay. Anyway, today once again I am going to be doing another my shop type thing. And just because I have no idea what to do, and it's 5:20 p.m. and I just felt like filming a video, so I am going to do another shop. Yeah. Okay. So this is what I have in my shop: candy cane crown, heart wreath, phantom ornament, heart target, heart spotlight, pumpkin pie, Jamal Day gift gate, sleigh runway, Jamal Day banner, penguin lamp, hanging star strand, pumpkin carving table, tiki torch, laptop, tall grass, spooky pops, patched rug, and wagon wheel. Yeah, and then I have room for other stuff. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do the wreath necklace, and then fancy top hat. Okay. We're good to go. I wonder if small shop please come is very attractive. I mean, people just come to my den and leave. This person's probably gonna leave. Oh, okay. They're probably all gonna leave without buying anything. See, told ya. Oh wow, I'm surprised. Okay. Okay, something else. I am surprised again. Very. I am surprised yet again. Oh, okay. Great, I sold my heart spotlight for 1 diamond. Yes, that's very good. Okay, I am trying my luck at another Jamal Township, so I'm gonna see how that works out. Oh wow, very interesting. I don't think anyone really wants to come to my den. Oh no. Okay, so I'm trying to get more people in my den, but no one really seems interested, or, I mean, I guess a few people are. That's good, I sold the penguin lamp for 250 gems. It looks like we've got a mangle fan right here. Yeah, I sort of got distracted, so I'm just gonna look, see what there is. That's hilarious. Okay. Trying to see if there's anything here. Ooh, I do really want that, because it's only one. Or that. No. Or that. These are really good priced pets. Or that. Well, I don't have a peacock, so might as well get that. Yeah, that's fine, I don't care. Okay, so I just got sidetracked again. This is so cool. There is so much stuff. So many shops. Everything. Oh, wow. They sure have a lot of spikes. A lot of spikes. I own this one. And a bunch of the other ones. This is so cool. It's a mall. We got rares and the dolphin thing. Maybe I will buy something here. If there's anything that are gems. Don't feel like using my diamonds right now. Okay. No. Alright, is there anything here? No. No, there isn't. Okay. This person sure has a lot of items. Way more than me. Okay. Let's look for this aisle. Oh. Oh, wow. Okay. No, I'm not interested in pets right now. Oh my god. That is insane. Okay. No. Is there anything that is gems? Okay, so I think I attracted some people. And I'm just gonna tell them what I film on, what my YouTube channel is. So, yeah. Alright, there we go. Yes, this is a video. Oh, this is Silly C5, my friend. Hello. Okay, I sold the Tiki Torch for 150 gems. Thank you. Oh, Silly C5 is saying hello to the people who are going to be watching, so, yep. Okay, so I couldn't really get people to buy from my store, and I got distracted by this person called Kind Wolfie, who has over 2,000 subscribers, and they're like, I'm doing a live going through Jamal Township. I'm like, okay, so I go and see it. But anyway, I have to end the video because it's 5:58 p.m. now, and so yeah. So please click that subscribe button and have an awesome day. Bye, Jammers!